spy menaze zememan sage klum Manipur Imphal is new Checkon area kachibamge da nighting kaga hezekna kaga kaklebe kachibe pedaize new Checkon area haluchimang mane hekira me hmi ne to kachibige kime spy rapid action force RAF ko minahang chume kakzau dele ze kachule za spy mete luze state ge kaklebe pedblamge disi ibe te rahange kamaze kagna agumbe mata ksyabge kazau be bizigena kime spy rapid action force RAF ko minahang chumze punui tabam gene lutoni dele ze kachudle
This is the area where violence broke out a couple of days back, where army had to be called in, the RAF had to be called in, and this place, New Checkon Road and the New Lambulan has been guarded 24/7 by state security forces, by the CRPF, by the RAF. But unfortunately, around 9:20 p.m. last night, this particular beef shop was about to be set on fire by some unidentified persons who came in a Maruti Gypsy. But from what we have learned today is like 3 persons, namely from the RAF, Rapid Action Force, including one person called Bhupendra Singh, who is from Naharup Maya Lekai, and 3 persons from the RAF, namely Kuldeep Singh, Pradeep Kumar and Somdev Arya has been arrested by the police. This is what is happening right now at this moment, but the authorities are still keeping silent on why this incident happened at such a juncture, which is very critical, and something like this can set off an entire new polarization of the communities, because this shop is owned by a Kabui, which is basically from the Tangkhul Naga area community. The present crisis of polarization is happening between the Kukis and the Maitais, but this shop belongs to a Maitai Pangal, and the owner is a Kabui. This is Paujol Chauba reporting for the Frontier Manipur. Ming Tabiwa? Habibur. Checkon the beef yon maneto. Kamain to in Rangs, Punga.
Puma Pangame Mukta Badoida. Gypsy de Tongalaga, Marina. Mapalang Isibai, Ganguye,
RAF,
Pangudo, Home Yahweh, Amana, driver to the country.
Gypsy did go over coming to put this layer.
Carry the Churomija.
Borado.
Oh, so is the
Caridi or Viachin of Via, Caria Hadi.
She carried them more than white okay, meaning Genbra.
The Hojit town of Sumaran, Sumato, they carry hiding Sumato, even about the Sessom Tahu.
She told him at the Pura, Chapsana made you was a man to read them. Not wrong. Mamma is Ambataraga, the Tumazam Taragadi. When they was a labor, congelation in Tina Tavin, how would in Tina Tavin?
And then when I talk by Yavi, Yena
Pura, young Makalam Sakadam.